How to buy Patlu token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check Drake's account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now, open your Bitcoin wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon, paste the token address in the search bar. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Patlu. So after you find it, click on it. Now here click on swap. Now switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. Now click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Patlu token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.